Hi, back again. In this short video, I'm going to share a few examples of the types of projects that our students have worked on as part of their internship experience. So there's four that I want to share with you in particular, in addition to all the other projects that they've been working on, but these four in particular we're quite proud of. So the first one is a coaching channel. So we created a district coaching channel. It's a YouTube channel, and Casey will show you some examples in a few moments. And what we've done is, or what we're aspiring to do, is to get short video interviews with our model coaches, our best coaches across all 23 sports across the district, boys and girls sports as well, boys and girls teams. And so what we've started to do is we've been interviewing, identifying with the ADs who the model coaches are, who really model our core values. And then our students go out and interview them. And then we take those video interviews and we break them into small segments specific to different topics. It could be preseason team building, it could be running a practice, it could be end of season banquets, it could be communication or motivation, could be anything. And so we started to build this database, and we now have quite a few videos, all different sports, on this coaching channel. And the idea is we introduce this coaching channel to the newly hired coaches, and the idea would be that the athletic directors would use these videos with their coaches, or at least direct them to these videos as needed. And ideally, at some point, we would like to supplement the video interviews with some examples of coaches in action, living these ideas. So practice observations, coaching during a game, pre-game meetings, things like that, so that we'd have a database of good coaching in action. A second one that I'd like to share with you is related to our district core values for athletics. And one of the things we did probably about 4 or 5 years ago, when I started really working across the entire district, is work with the athletic directors to get a clear sense of why we have athletics. So create a common language, shared consciousness of what good athletics programs should look like and what good coaching in our district should look like. And we were able to create, through a partnership, another partnership here at Fresno State with our mass communication and journalism department, to come out and produce a video, a short video, explaining and demonstrating our district athletics core values. And we have 6 of them, 6 core values that we came up with. And so there's a short 3-minute video now that illustrates and explains these core values. Another one that we've been working on quite a bit lately is related to what we call unified sports. And this is growing across the state, and our district is taking an active role in that. And it's partnering varsity and interscholastic student athletes with student athletes with or students with special needs. And we've done things like soccer and basketball, and we bring them out they play together on the same teams, and they have one-day tournaments. And so our students have been quite active, our interns, in helping coordinate that and support that initiative. And again, we just created, with mass communication and journalism, another video specific to unified sports that demonstrates some of the work our interns have been doing in that area. A fourth one, the last one I want to share with you, is related to what we call our newly hired coach induction program. And another one of our projects that we really want to work on, and all these are works in progress, is to have some kind of standard gateway into coaching in our district. So in addition to state mandated certification, fingerprinting, background checks, things like that, we wanted to have a way for people who get hired into our district to coach to be introduced to our core values in kind of our way. This is how we coach here. This is what we expect here. And so we finally now have that in place. It's a monthly session. It's a 2-hour session offered once a month. We teach it here at Fresno State. Any newly hired coach through the district is required now to come to one of the sessions at some point in their first year. And we also created a short video explaining the purpose and the value of that. We even have a few coaches who participated in it, reflecting on the experience. So these four, the coaching channel, the core values, the unified sports, and our newly hired coach induction program have all been developed through our internship program and our partnership with the district. And I believe Casey has a few examples of these that she's going to share with you. Thank you.